that I wouldn't forget, but it took me a set to get it all out of G. Tried to find out how I'm gonna put this out and make it simple, but my mind stops like a GameStop, just hit continue. Then I saw Hutchinson, dabbed him up with the clip, talked about some things like switching all the games to make the quickest day. But anyway, he had to go, stroll along with his day. Shout out to Reed that came along the way. We got to talking about some things I really cannot say. That is bad, is more like bad, the way we had complained. We talking this and that for tick for tack to get the cat, but it really ain't that sweet to chase a bag for kitchen cats. We cut the chit and chat, we had to split the pack. We going back to work while I'm working on my craft. I said, I would put myself to sleep, fill my dreams with clarity. Depression like a leech, parasiting in your sleep. Try to keep it down low.